Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, nestled amidst lush green hills, there lived a young man named Kaito. Known for his boundless ambition and insatiable desire for success, Kaito was constantly in pursuit of wealth and power. He believed that true happiness lay in acquiring material possessions and outshining others in every aspect of life. One day, as Kaito was walking through the village, he overheard a conversation about a renowned Zen master named Master Hiroshi. It was said that Master Hiroshi possessed extraordinary wisdom and had the ability to grant people their deepest desires. Intrigued by the rumors, Kaito decided to seek out the Zen master, convinced that he held the key to unlocking his dreams. After days of searching, Kaito finally found himself standing at the gates of a humble Zen monastery, where Master Hiroshi resided. With great determination, Kaito approached the master and expressed his burning desire for wealth and power, confident that this would be the catalyst for his happiness. Master Hiroshi, a gentle and serene man, listened intently to Kaito's plea. He then smiled and said, "Young man, I can grant you what you desire, but remember that true contentment lies not in material possessions, but in finding peace within yourself." Undeterred by the master's words, Kaito insisted on his request. Without hesitation, Master Hiroshi agreed to fulfill Kaito's wish but added a condition: Kaito must spend an entire year in the monastery, learning the ways of Zen and engaging in self-reflection. Accepting the condition, Kaito eagerly embarked on his journey within the monastery walls. In the beginning, he found it challenging to detach himself from his desires and ambitions. However, under Master Hiroshi's guidance, Kaito gradually began to discover the beauty of simplicity and the power of inner peace. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Kaito dedicated himself to meditation, mindfulness, and the teachings of Zen philosophy. He immersed himself in the present moment, embracing the beauty of nature, and found solace in the stillness of his mind. As the year came to a close, Kaito underwent a profound transformation. He realized that his relentless pursuit of wealth and power had caused him to neglect the simple joys of life, such as spending time with loved ones, appreciating the beauty of nature, and finding contentment in the present moment. When the day arrived for Kaito to meet Master Hiroshi and have his wish fulfilled, he hesitated. Instead of asking for wealth and power, Kaito bowed before the master and said, "Master Hiroshi, I have come to realize that the only thing I truly want in life is inner peace and contentment. I no longer seek wealth and power, for they are fleeting and empty. I am grateful for the wisdom you have bestowed upon me." Master Hiroshi smiled warmly and replied, "Young Kaito, you have learned a valuable lesson. True wealth lies not in what you possess, but in the richness of your heart and the serenity of your mind. You have found the true path to happiness." From that day forward, Kaito dedicated his life to spreading the teachings of Zen, helping others discover the importance of inner peace and contentment. He became known as a wise and compassionate mentor, guiding people away from the traps of materialism and towards a more fulfilling existence. And so, the tale of Kaito serves as a reminder that true happiness lies not in the pursuit of external desires, but in the journey of self-discovery and the cultivation of inner peace. It teaches us that when we let go of our attachments and embrace the present moment, we find the greatest treasure of all: a contented heart and a tranquil soul.